Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to reduce space between text and margins in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to reduce space between text and margin. Click the text box and go to the text box option and select the margin. You can change the width of this margin. Now I select the white margin. Then resize the text to see the margin space. Now we can see we reduce space between text and margins this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.